name is Gajendra Bhagwan Nagre and I am from Raja. I hold a bachelor's degree in computer science and last year I completed my master's in computer application from Government Engineering College, Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar. After graduation, I undertook a 6-month internship as a front-end developer where I design and learn the front-end part of our projects. Following that, I work as a software developer at DTG Company Pune, where I work on multiple projects, including deployment tools like AWS, Kubernetes and all. So I get interested in DevOps, so I joined the StarAgile DevOps engineering course. Here I learn and get hands-on experience on DevOps tools like Prometheus, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes, Prometheus, Grafana. Also, they teach well in GitHub, Linux, and AWS also. While doing the course, I also completed my 6-month internship as a DevOps engineer, where I work on 3 real-life projects as a DevOps engineer. Apart from that, I also completed my certifications as a Docker, Kubernetes, as a DevOps engineer, and also DevOps fundamentals. Yeah, that's a brief introduction about me. Before joining the DevOps engineering course, I have not that much hands-on experience in DevOps tools, all the deployment tools and all. Basically, I only work as a deployment. I just get a AWS server and deploy the application. But after joining the StarAgile, I get one-to-one pipeline tools that works together and effectively. So that helps me more joining this course. StarAgile gives me the opportunity that I can also give interview calls. So it's good. You can give the opportunities because sometimes when you give the mock interviews, the interviewer asks different question, you give way different. But company will ask the same question, you learn. So that helps. I place in Finfactor company, location in Pune.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the StarAgile website. Check out the link in the description.